US President Donald Trump has announced many new tariffs, including a large one on pharmaceutical companies that aren't building plants in the United States. Donald Trump has announced a 100% tariff on imports of branded or patented pharmaceutical products from the 1st of October. Now, this is a move that could have major repercussions for key Indian drug makers. I'll tell you why this matters for India. The US is actually the largest market for Indian drug makers, especially in the affordable generic medicine space. By the way, shares of Asian pharmaceutical companies fell after Donald Trump announced fresh tariffs on pharmaceutical products. And additionally, in a separate post on Truth Social, he also mentioned that there'll be fresh tariffs on furniture and heavy trucks. Priyanka Deo has been tracking all the finer developments for us. She joins us live at the moment. Priyanka, break this down for us. What does this mean for India's drug manufacturers and our pharmaceutical industry?
Well, Donald Trump has pledged a 100% import tax on pharmaceutical drugs unless companies move manufacturing or build plants in the US. Now, on paper, this is about creating American jobs and reducing dependency on foreign supply chains. So in reality, it's really a seismic shock to global pharma and especially to India, because India is known as the pharmacy of the world, right? Supplying about 20% of global generics and a huge share of US demand. So if Trump enforces this tariff, Indian pharmaceutical exporters will face two choices: either invest heavily in the US based on facilities or watch their market share collapse under the weight of tariffs. Now, the consequences here go beyond economics. Drug prices in the US could rise, but politically, Trump gains points by bringing manufacturing back home, especially with his MAGA base. For India, this is a wake-up call. We need to rethink supply chain strategy, diversify markets, and possibly accelerate US-India joint ventures in pharma. So in short, Trump's pharma tariffs aren't just a trade measure. They're a test of India's adaptability in a world where sort of protectionism and politics increasingly drive global business, as we can see with US-India trade talks going on.